Okay,
Sandali lang po.
while waiting
Sandali
for Sir
lang.
Paul, no? Yes, it's okay. I'd like to welcome Elvisa, kay Carmelita. Magandang buhay sa iyo. Kay Nesty. Hello Nesty. Kay Sir Fred Sibayan, magandang buhay. Ayan. What we're going to play today is the performance of Sonic AI. While waiting for the full presentation of Sir Paul, I just want you to listen, no? Sir Paul, are you ready? If you're ready, we're not going to play it. Okay. Tita Glo, siguro wag na muna natin i-play, Sir Paul.
Siguro nga hindi ko rin ma-share. Okay.
That's it. Sorry.
Alright po.
I'm sorry guys, no, kasi wala ho kami sa bahay. Right now I'm here in the hotel, no? We're going to explore.
Ako nasa car ako.
Meron ho kaming presentation tomorrow, so lilipad po kami, no, somewhere here in the Philippines. So I'd like to welcome Gigi, Renato, Sir Erwin, magandang buhay sa inyo. Kay Joy Lacuptan, magandang buhay. Kay Myla, kay Gisette. Thank you for joining. Gina, salamat sa pag-join din. Angelo Lumilada, kay Marisa, hello. Kay Ma'am Judith, magandang buhay. Magandang gabi kay Choi, kay Aying, kay Gina, kay Ate Maria, magandang buhay. Kay Fernando, hello Fernando. Kay Nesty, salamat sa pag-join. Carmelita, kay Merlita, kay Teresita, puro ta, no? Ayan. Kay Ferab, hello Ferab, magandang buhay. Kay Jesseline, thank you for joining. Lovely. Kay Susan, kay John L, no? Hello John L, magandang buhay sa iyo. Kay Gigi, kay Emilia, kay Elvisa, magandang buhay sa inyo, no? Pasensya na kayo, no, yung baka erratic yung dating namin. Like I've said, no, wala ho kami sa bahay, no, nasa labas po kami. At the moment, nandito po ako sa Las Piñas, no, in one of the hotels here in Las Piñas.
Paki-type nga po ng number 1 sa chat natin if you can hear me loud and clear.
Yan.
Yun, wala si Sir Anton eh.
Okay, hello. Narinig niyo ako, Sir Anton?
Yes.
Yes po.
Okay. Narinig po kayo, Sir Paul. Narinig namin po kayo.
Okay.
Loud and clear.
Sige,
Hello
let's
kay
get started.
Amy Salvador. I think we better get started, no?
Po.
Bago mawala yung ating signal, okay?
Okay.
Sige, Tita Glo. Siguro, Tita Glo, kung nahihirapan ka, I'll do the hosting. Is that okay?
Okay. Siguro mas maganda kasi po nasa car ako ngayon. Pasensya na po, Sir. Mas maganda po, Sir Anton, kung pwede ka pong mag-host, no? At least makaano ka rin po. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. I-close ko na yung mute ko lang. Naka-host ka na po. Mute ko na po yung sarili ko.
Okay, thank you para hindi
Thank
ka
you
na mahirapan. Thank you, Tita Glo. Thank you. Okay. Hello. Ayan, grabe, no? We have, how many participants? We have 41 participants and counting. Grabe, no? Sir Paul, okay ka lang, ha? Sir Paul, no?
Yes.
Maganda po kayo sa gabing ito at gwapo po kayo sa gabing ito, no? Isang mapagpalang hapon dyan po sa England, no, where Sir Paul is already resided. Isang mapagpalang gabi po, no, dito sa Pilipinas, no. Nandito ngayon ako sa Pilipinas. Isang mapagpalang araw at gabi sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Hayaan po natin na buksan natin at padaluyin ang pagpapala at swerte sa inyong mga tahanan at kung saan man po kayo naroon ngayon, no. Happy Friday po sa lahat sa inyo, no. At mag-weekend na naman at alam ko masayang-masaya kayo, lalo na yung mga nagtatrabaho ng Monday to Friday. Kung kayo po ay first timer o bagong invite dito sa ating Zoom webinar, I would like to acknowledge you po, no. Salamat po sa pag-join at sana po makasama namin kayo ng tuloy-tuloy dito sa ating negosyo, no. Sino po ang nag-agree sa akin, no, na ang oras o ang time is a valuable resources na lahat po tayo ay mayroon. Tama po, no? bata ka man, matanda ka man, may ipin o wala, babae, lalaki, tomboy, bakla, lahat po tayo ay may mahalagang pag-aari. Ano po yon? Ano po yung valuable resources na yun na binabanggit ko? Ito po yung oras o yung time. Ang oras po, no, hindi po mabibili. Ang oras po pag dumaan na o lumipas na, hindi mo na po ito maibabalik. In fact, mga kasama ko dito sa Zoom webinar, no, time is equally shared resources, meaning pantay-pantay po tayong lahat ay pinagkatiwala sa atin ng Diyos ang pagdating sa oras o pagdating sa time. Kaya mayaman ka man o mahirap ka man, lahat po tayo ay may 24 oras. Ano po? Bakit ko nasabi ito? Ano bang relevance nito sa ating business coach? Ako po kasi ay naniniwala, no, na kung tayo pong lahat ay mayroong 24 oras, will determine the size of our income. It will determine your relationship with your friends, with your family and loved ones. Kung paano po natin gagamitin ang oras natin ay depende sa paglago ng iyong income at paglago ng iyong relasyon sa ating sarili, sa iyong kapwa at sa iyong pamilya, no? Kaya po mga kasamahan ko, mga kapatid ko, mga kakampi ko dito sa ating negosyo, congratulations po dahil ginagamit ninyo yung time ninyo sa may kabuluhang bagay. Ginagamit ninyo yung time ninyo to grow your financial outlook in life. Kaya samahan niyo po kami, no, ni Tita Gloria together with our great presenter na si Paul de Guzman. By the way, my name is Anton Sebastian and I'll be your co-presenter today together with the powerful and ever lovely and ever guwapo na katandem ko dito sa ating negosyo, no? An extraordinary leader with a good heart, and I'm sure you all agree with me, lalong-lalo na dun sa nakakakilala sa kanya, no? He lives in England for more than 26 years. He's a nurse by profession, an entrepreneur, a loving father, a great provider, a loving husband to his wife, Ate Cielo, and great friend and a mentor. Very helpful po itong gentleman na ito and a leader with a good heart. Kaya nga po, tawagin po natin, no, ang ating the presenter of all time, Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. Sir Paul, take it away.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, no? It's 1:30 in the afternoon po dito sa UK. I'm sure iba yung oras sa inyo, no? Kasi different time zones tayo.
Yes.
Magandang buhay na lang po at magandang araw sa lahat ng nakikinig at nanonood po sa atin ngayon. Thank you very much for your time na i-share niyo po sa amin. And on our part, kami po ni Sir Anton, sisiguraduhin namin na worthy po yung time na ibinigay niyo po sa amin. Sisiguraduhin po namin that after this presentation, you will have something to think about, no? Which is related to your related to a financial opportunity, no? Nabanggit ni Sir Anton kanina yung I would not introduce myself further, no, kasi I'm sure most of you know me already, and para naman po dun sa mga hindi nakakilala sa akin, na ipakilala naman po ako ni Sir Anton, no, ng mabuti. Ako po isang nurse, tama yung sabi niya, I've been in the UK for more than 26 years na, no, so half of my life para malaman yung edad ko, half of my life nandito po ako sa UK, no, so that tells you about my age, no. Anyway, nandito lang po kami para magbigay ng information sa inyo about this amazing business opportunity. Alam niyo po, alam ko pong karamihan sa atin ay gustong-gusto magnegosyo, no? Pero ang problema sa isipan natin pagka negosyo, kailangan natin ng napakaraming pera, no? Pero I will try to change your view about business, no. Sabi nga ni Sir Anton, very important sa atin yung time and money, no. They're directly proportional, no. The more time you use, the more money you will earn, no. Yan po yung kinagisnan natin at yan po ang pag-uusapan natin today. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. I'll share my slides now and start my presentation, no.
Sir Paul, before we start, probably we can mute them. I will try my best to mute them first so that
do I have the power?
Okay, yeah. Tapos yung gawin, you can unmute yourself afterwards, okay? Ayan, Sir Paul, sige, you can unmute yourself now. So, hindi muna kayo makakapag-unmute, no? So that Sir Paul won't be distracted while he's doing his presentation. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Okay, Sir Paul, take it away.
Okay, so magkukwentuhan po tayo. Welcome po sa ating business presentation. Usually I would like the listeners and watchers to be proactive or interactive, participate in our presentation. However, you can participate through our chat box, no? I will be asking some questions along the way, and I want you to participate actively by typing on our chat box, no? Even your questions you can type in your chat box. Mas maganda po 'yon, no? Hindi po kayo makakapag-interact sa amin verbally, pero by the end of the presentation, we will give you a chance to ask questions. So welcome once again to our business presentations. This is brought to you by our team, no? Ang tawag po sa team namin is Drivers Legacy, which I have co-founded with Sir Anton sometime in 2021 yata, no? When we founded Drivers Legacy, and it's still going strong until now. So, nabanggit ni Sir Anton yung time and money, no? Which is very important sa buhay natin because gusto natin magkaroon ng time freedom and we also want to have financial freedom, di ba? Pero sabi ko nga, directly proportional yan. Hindi tayo pwede magkaroon ng time freedom kung wala tayong financial freedom, di ba? Dahil habang wala tayong financial freedom, hindi tayo magiging malaya na gamitin yung oras natin sa mga bagay na gusto nating paggugulan natin, di ba? Hindi rin naman tayo magkakaroon ng time freedom kung wala tayong financial freedom. So, it works, together po siya, no? Kailangan magkasama palagi siya. Hindi pa pwedeng magkaroon ka ng time freedom kung wala yung kabila at hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon ng financial freedom kung wala namang time freedom. So, it's very important. Pero how do we achieve time freedom and financial freedom? No? Kung if we don't have the right formula to achieve them, di ba? Ano ba yung kinagisnan?
Sir Paul,
Narinig
if
mo
I may
ko?
interrupt, sorry, yes. Hindi yata nakashare yung screen mo. Sorry,
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Nangyari na yan last.
Kaya nga, sorry to interrupt you. Okay.
No problem. Okay, so where was I? No, we're talking about time freedom and financial freedom and the right formula to achieve them, di ba? Ano ba yung let me start with a question. No? How many of you are 18 years old up to 30 years old? Type 1 po sa chat box natin. 18 years old to 30 years old. Marami ba? Si Sir Anton? 18 years old?
I stopped counting at 30. So,
Okay. Type 2 naman po, yung mga between 30 to 50 years old. Type 2 po. Ayun, madami-dami din, no? And type 3 naman po, yung mga 50 na, no? Pataas, 50 pataas. Okay, so madami din, no? So, we all of you here are from different age bracket, no? Which is good, no? Kasi it just tells us na mapabata ka man o matanda, no? Pareho-pareho tayo nagtahanap ng ganitong klaseng financial opportunity, no? Pero whatever your age is, no, yung kinagisnan nating financial formula iisa, no. Nagsimula yan do sa bili ng ating magulang, no, ng ating nanay at tatay, no. Ano ba yung pinagbibilin sa atin palagi? Anak, aral ka mabuti para paglaki mo meron kang magandang trabaho, no. Yun yung financial formula na alam natin, no? Na hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin yung ginagamit natin. Work hard, tapos kikita ka ng pera, tapos babayaran mo yung mga bills mo, tapos kung ano yung matitira para sa'yo, no? And then you repeat the cycle. But the question is, how long have you been working hard, no? For the money? How long have you been using your time to make money, pay the bills, save what is left, and yet wala ka pa ring pera o wala ka pa ring ipon hanggang ngayon, no? How long have you been working hard? Siguro most of you, especially yung mga nasa 50 pataas na, no, you've been working hard all your life, di ba? Ako po 53 years old po ako, no? Nag-54 na po ako last week lang, no? I've been working hard for quite a long time, no? And yet hindi ko pa rin nakukuha yung right formula para ma-achieve yung time freedom and financial freedom. Hopefully ngayon na yun through this business opportunity, no? So yan po kasi yung ginagisnan natin. So unless we break that we break that cycle, no, hindi natin ma-achieve yung time freedom and financial freedom. But what if the biggest financial opportunity you're missing is not because you don't have enough money, no? Kasi sabi natin pagka negosyo kailangan ng pera, no? Pero paano kung yung financial opportunity na hinahanap natin hindi naman pala yun ang kailangan, no? Hindi naman pala it's not because you don't have enough money, but because you've never been shown how money can work differently. Kasi nga, yun lang ang alam nating formula, no? But what if there is another formula that we can do, no? Na pwede pala, di ba? Kaya, ang hinihiling ko po today, no, for you, is to listen, watch, dahil may papakita po ako sa inyong isang napakaganda business opportunity that I have been benefiting tremendously for the last few months since I started doing this, no? Open your mind to a different financial formula because today we will show you how to make a lot of money in forex trading, no? O yung particularly copy trading na tinatawag. I'd like you to open your mind to technology changing the way people participate in the financial markets, no? Bata pa lang po ako, no? Nakikita ko na po yung mga nagte-trading, yumayaman sila, no? Pero hindi ko po alam kung paano siya gagawin. Nakikita ko, nakatutok sila sa computer most of the time, no? Using their time, minsan hindi pa natutulog, pero lumayaman sila. But I cannot do it, no? Kasi hindi ko po alam. At the same time, ayoko naman po yung 24 hours a day nakatutok ako dun sa business na yun. Wala ka pa rin time freedom, di ba? I'd like you to open your mind, no? Most importantly, to the possibility that financial education, not financial promises, could change the way you think about your future. Importante po na i-open natin yung isipan natin because sabi nga ng mga successful people in the world, no? What separates us and the things that we want in life is simply, no? Our willingness to change our mindset. Kailangan baguhin natin yung mindset para magkaroon ng pagbabago. If you keep doing what you are currently doing, no, pareho pa rin yung resulta na makukuha nyo over time, no? Kung gusto nyo baguhin yung resulta, kailangan baguhin nyo yung formula on how you can make money, no? So yun po yung ituturo namin sa inyo today. Through 3 huge platforms na magbibigay sa atin ng opportunity, na magbubukas ng pinto ng opportunity dito sa forex trading. And I'm referring to Stratify, to Tag Markets, and Sonic AI. 3 platforms that collaborated with each other para maibigay sa atin itong napakagandang business opportunity na ito. So, I'd like to welcome you first to Stratify. Ang Stratify po, siya po yung platform na magbubukas ng pinto sa atin for forex trading. Siya din po yung platform that gave us different ways to make money in this particular business opportunity. Ang Stratify po started sometime last year, no? I believe it was like September or August 2025. Pero yung collaboration nila with the other companies, no, makes this a ground floor opportunity for everyone. And we all know pag ground floor opportunity yan, that's the perfect timing to become part of that business. So ano ba yung Stratify? Ang Stratify, sabi ko nga siya ay magbubukas ng opportunity to the na makapasok tayo to the world's largest and most liquid financial market, no? I-introduce tayo sa foundation ng forex trading and the skills needed to navigate a 24 hours a day, 5 days a week global marketplace. So, si Stratify po, bubuksan ng pinto sa forex trading, papapasukin tayo doon sa global marketplace without necessarily na tayo yung uubos ng oras natin doon sa trading, no? Mamaya mas maintindihan nyo po yan. Si Stratify po, gumawa din po siya na isang napakagandang marketing model na tinatawag na affiliate marketing, no? Which will give us not one, but 6 different ways to make money in this opportunity, which will give us unlimited income potential. So, gaano ba kalaki ang forex trading? Ang forex trading po, ang daily trading volume niya is over 7 trillion US dollars. Pinakamalaki sa buong trading industry. Bigger than the cryptocurrency industry, bigger than the stock trading, bigger than commodity trading. And again, it operates 24 hours a day. Monday to Friday lang po. Nagpapahinga din po ang trading, no? 5 days a week lang po yan. Ang forex trading po, usually, ginagamit din ng gobyerno yan, and most of the time, ginagamit din na sukatan ng economy ng isang bansa, no? It involves central banks, commercial banks, hedge funds, corporations, and retail traders. Ngayon, ano ba yung mga currency na pwedeng i-trade? Nandiyan po yung pinaka-stable na currencies tulad ng US dollars, euros, US dollars to Japanese yen, Great Britain pounds to US dollars, and of course yung one of the most precious metals, yung gold, no? And also when it comes to stability, long-term stability, yung gold po ang pinakamagandang i-trade dyan. So dito nag-focus yung Tag Market and Sonic AI. So, si Stratify po, nakipag-collaborate po siya sa isang established company, no? Yung established trade broker na tinatawag na Tag Markets. Tag Markets, which has 3 years of experience in the financial industry. Sino nga po ba ang Tag Market? Ang Tag Market po offers a secure, transparent, and high-performance environment for traders and investors. No? So, trade broker po ang Tag Markets. Meron na po siyang experience sa pagda-trade in forex, in gold, in stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. But this time, dito sa platform natin, magpo-focus po ang Tag Market sa gold against US dollars trading, which has an inverse relationship. Ibig sabihin po niyan, pagka tumataas po ang value ng gold, bumababa po ang value ng dollar because it takes more dollars to buy a gold. Pagka bumaba naman po ang value ng gold, tumataas po ang value ng dollars because it takes less dollars to purchase a gold. Okay, so ganun lang po yan. So pinili po ni Tag Market at ni Sonic kaya yung gold because kahit volatile ito, ay sabi ko nga, yung stability niya pang long term. Okay? Ang maganda kay Tag Market is financially, it's regulated, no? Secured po siya. Regulated po tayo ng Financial Services Commission in Mauritius, and we are in the process of being regulated in other countries as well. I believe we are already regulated in the Financial Service Commission in Cyprus, in South Africa, and more, no? And the good news is, no, 3 years po ang Tag Markets, meron akong 1 million users. In May 2026, 800,000 users lang po, pero ngayon po umabot na ng 1 million users sa Tag Market, and it's still growing. So it's now one of the top 15 trade brokers trading, no, in the world, and we're aiming to become one of the top 5 before the end of this year. And hindi po malabong mangyari yan, especially now that we are now being featured in different international publications, no, like Time Magazine in Africa has just featured us. Nandyan yung Entrepreneur World or something, no? Makikita nyo po yung mga publications na yan in our platforms. Okay, so ganyan po ka-establish ang Tag Markets. And when it comes to security pa rin, no, binigyan tayo ng security ng Tag Markets by insuring our money, no. Sa Tag Market po, nagpo-provide po siya ng up to $1 million insurance coverage, no. Back po ito ng pinaka-established and most recognized insurance market sa buong mundo, yung Lloyd's of London, no. Makikita nyo po yung certificate niyan sa platform natin if you want to look at it. So, yan po is another form of security. But again, the reputation of Tag Market alone is enough to make us secure and protected dito sa ating platform. Now, there are 2 types of account na pwede nyong open kay Tag Market, no? Sa ngayon, normally nandiyan yung 12x Amplify account, pero this month of August hanggang end of the month, binigyan tayo ng opportunity makapag-open din ng 24x Amplify account, no? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng Amplify? It simply means multiply, no? Ibig sabihin, whatever amount of money we deposit, fund, or invest, no? Whatever you want to call it, i-multiply ng company by 12 times, no? Yun yung usual account natin. But as I've mentioned, ngayong August po, meron tayong opportunity to take advantage yung 24x account. Ibig sabihin, whatever amount we put in our tag market account ay imumultiply po ng company by 24. Imagine, no? Dito po sa tag market, you can start for as small as $10, no? Wala kayong packages that you need to purchase, no? Wala kayong registration fee na kailangan bayaran. You are in total and full control of the money that you want to use in this business opportunity. So, for example, nag-invest kayo ng $10, no? I-multiply nyo by 12, meron kang $120 na trading capital na pwedeng gamitin ni Tag Market or ni Sonic AI doon sa global marketplace, no? Of course, that would generate trading profit. Pag 24x naman, no? 10 times 24, that becomes 240. No? And of course, sa trading, yung trading profit mo is dictated by the amount of your trading capital. So, ibig sabihin, pag maliit yung investment mo, maliit ang trading capital mo, maliit ang profit mo. Pag medium yung investment mo, medium ang trading capital mo, medium din ang iyong trading profit. Okay? Pagka malaki yung investment mo, malaki yung trading profit mo, malaki din yung magiging malaki yung trading capital mo, malaki din ang magiging trading profits natin. So, you are in total control kung magkano yung gusto mong kitain dito. Kaya nga sabi ko dito, no, I don't want you to ask during this presentation kung magkano yung kikitain mo. Ang gusto kong tanungin mo sa sarili mo, magkano yung gusto mong kitain. Diba? Dahil ikaw ang magko-control niyan. Again, the 24x Amplify account is only valid or open until August 31st. Hindi natin alam kung mag-extend pa yan. Okay? Now, the question is, do I have to trade myself? Sabi ko nga kanina sa inyo, matagal ko nang gusto mag-trade, no? Pero hindi ko magawa because sabi ng mga successful traders, you need to learn before you earn, no? Kailangan pag-aralan mo daw lahat ng pasikot-sikot na trading because it's a very complex industry, no? Very complex business, no? Kaya lagi kong tinatanong, kailan ba ako makakapag-start mag-trading, no? Kung hindi ko naman siya naintindihan. But trading itself has evolved, no? Over time, no? Kung noon, kailangan nating tumutok sa computer 24 hours a day at tignan yung bawat taas at baba nung mga candlesticks na yon, no? Ngayon hindi na kailangan. There's no trading experience required. We now have an opportunity to earn while we are learning, no? Kasi hindi na tayo yung magte-trade para sa sarili natin. Dahil pinanganak na or nag-evolve na yung trading into copy X or copy trading. Ano ba yung copy trading? Yung copy trading po, no? So basically, pagpasok sa marketplace, yung mga expert traders, meron silang mga formula, no? So yung mga formula na yan, imi-mirror lang doon sa mga respective accounts natin. So whatever the result of those trades will also mirror in our account. Kung nanalo, panalo yung mga account natin. And because they are expert traders, no? Or master traders kung tawagin, no? Alam nila kung paano manalo sa trading on a daily basis from Monday to Friday. Okay? Kaya all we need to do is to wait for the trading profits on a daily basis. At ganyan po ang nangyayari sa ngayon, no? Especially with our copy trading platform na ipapakilala ko po in the next slide, ay napaka-efficient and has a very high winning rate capacity. But if you want to learn about trading and copy trading, nandyan din po yung Tag Academy natin wherein you can watch a lot of videos from our master traders o mga trading experts. Ituturo sa atin yung ins and outs ng trading. Okay? But it should not stop you, again, should not stop you from starting this business straight away. Now, let's talk about Sonic AI. Siya yung intelligent trader natin. Siya yung copy trading system natin. Siya yung papasok dun sa global marketplace. Titignan yung galawan sa marketplace, no? At alam niya kung kailan siya papasok at kailan siya lalabas. Sometimes si Sonic AI magte-trade once, no, twice, minsan 3 beses pa sa isang araw, no? But normally mga once or twice lang, no? So lagi siyang naghahanap ng opportunity, no? So si copy trader is operated yan by master traders na meron ng more than 15 years, no, na experience sa financial sa trading industry, no? So mga expert na talaga sila. So si Sonic AI po yung magbibigay sa atin ng daily trading profits natin. Let's look at the performance of Sonic AI based on this monthly analytics since 2024. So kung makikita nyo, all the time positive, never negative, no? So ibig sabihin, talagang nagpa-profit siya on a weekly basis, no? From November 24 to December 25, makikita nyo merong ups and downs pero laging positive siya. Yung 2026, we started slow, no, in January, pero makikita nyo ngayon ang trajectory, especially pagdating ng April, no? Ngayon August na, I'm sure kung makikita natin yung analytics from past April, no, talagang tumaas na po ng tumaas yan, especially month of July and August. Napakaganda po ng mga trading profits natin, and these are all fully verifiable doon sa my FX books natin, no? Very transparent po yung platform natin. Now, no, let's talk about Stratify. Nakilala nyo na po si Tag Market, nakilala nyo na po si Sonic AI, kilalanin naman natin si Stratify at yung growth plan na ginawa niya to give us an opportunity para kumita ng mas malaki dito sa negosyo, aside from the trading profit na pwede nating kitain kay Tag Market at Sonic AI on a daily basis, no? Si Stratify po ay gumawa po siya ng isang affiliate marketing model which will give us an opportunity to earn in 5 different ways, no, aside from the trading profits. So in all, 6 po yung paraan para kumita. Unang-una yung trading profits, pangalawa, pwede tayong kumita through profit sharing, pwede rin tayong kumita through trading lot commissions, leader pools, CPA earnings, and also may mga incentives, luxurious incentives na binibigay din si Stratify para sa atin. Isa-isahin po natin yan. So, ito pong program na to is a referral system, no? Influencer program. Especially ngayon, usong-uso po yung mga social influencer, di ba? Wherein the more followers you have, the more money you will make, no? So, ganun din po dito. Babayaran po tayo ng company through our referrals, no? So, ano ba yung mga referrals? Yung mga ini-invite natin, sinishare natin yung business too, no? So, babayaran tayo ng company sa 2 klase ng referral. Una, yung direct referral, yung mga tao na ni-refer natin personally. Pangalawa, yung mga indirect referral, yung hindi natin ni-refer. Yung ni-refer ng ni-refer natin, ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer natin, yung ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer ng ni-refer natin. So imagine, no, kahit hindi mo kakilala, kikita ka pa rin because they are part of your referral network. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung different ways to make money. Sa trading profit, no? Number 2, yung profit sharing, up to 10 levels dip po ang ibibigay sa atin ng company. And number 3 naman po, yung lot commission na tinatawag natin, dollar per lot, up to 10 levels din po yan. Nandyan po yung leader pool 1 and 2, tapos nandyan din po yung CPA earnings or cost per acquisition earning, plus yung mga incentives. Himay-himayin po natin ngayon ang 6 na paraan na para kumita na yan. Number 1, yung trading profit. No, this is a passive income na kinikita natin kay Tag Market and Sonic AI. Araw-araw po natin itong makikita, no? Or araw-araw natin itong makukuha, no? From Monday to Friday po 'yan. Ang trading profits po natin from Sonic AI and Tag Market, 70% po niyan mapupunta sa atin. Right? 70% po yan mapupunta sa atin. Pwede nating i-withdraw agad-agad, no? Tag Market has very fast withdrawal system, no? Pwede niyo siyang i-withdraw papunta doon sa bank account nyo, papunta sa cryptocurrency wallet nyo, and I believe sa Pilipinas pwedeng papunta sa GCash nyo, no? Or GCrypto kung tawagin. So, agad-agad yan. Pagpasok ng profit sa inyo, pwede nyo nang i-withdraw yan. Kailangan lang minimum $10 yung yung i-withdraw nyo. Okay? Or pwede nyo i-compound. Pag sinabi i-compound, i-reinvest nyo lang. Idadagdag nyo doon sa trading capital nyo para next day na mag-trade uli siya, mas malaki na yung magiging trading profit natin. Hanggang lumaki yung trading capital nyo, mas lalaki din yung trading profit natin. No? That's the power of compounding. 5% naman, nung trading profit mo araw-araw, mapupunta kay Sonic AI. I-reward naman natin siya kasi siya yung nagtatrabaho para sa atin, di ba? This is an opportunity for us to make our money work hard for us instead of us working hard for the money through Sonic AI. So, i-reward natin Sonic AI ng 5% lang naman. Yung 25%, ibabalik pa uli sa atin ni Stratify. No? Ibabalik niya doon sa network or community. Paghahati-hatian natin yan, no? Which I will explain to you in the next slide, no? That is through what we call profit sharing. Pero before I show you the profit sharing, let me show you an overview kung magkano ba yung potential na pwede mong kitain sa trading profits natin. Nakikitain mo on a daily basis. Dalawa po itong klase na account, no? 12x account at saka 24x account. Let's say you invested $5,000, no? Again, pwede ka magsimula sa $10, no? Pero you can invest whatever amount you want to invest, no? Pag sinabi kong $10, pwede ka magsimula. Hindi ko sinasabi na yayaman ka na kagad pag nag-invest ka ng $10, no? Of course, again, the profit depends on the trading capital. So, for example, $5,000 yung dineposit natin or in-invest natin. Ang potential monthly income natin dito, $323. More or less, no? Nabawas na dyan yung 30%. So, ito na yung 70% natin, no? Pag mas malaki, no, sabihin natin $100,000 investment mo, kikita ka ng $6,468, no? So, ang question, pag nilagay mo ba yung $5,000 mo or $100,000 sa bangko, kikita ng ganyang kalaki? The answer is hindi, no? Paano kung nag-take advantage ka doon sa 24x account? Di madodoble, di ba? Kasi yung $5,000 mo, potentially, pwedeng kumita ng $647 every month. At yung $100,000 mo, pwedeng kumita ng $12,936 on a monthly basis, no? Pero daily yan ibibigay sa atin, daily mo din pwedeng i-withdraw o daily mo pwedeng i-compound. So, that's an overview of how much you can potentially make in our trading profits. Pangalawa, yung profit sharing. Remember, yung 25%, ibabalik sa atin ni Stratify through this profit sharing up to 10 levels. Ano ba yung 10 levels na yan? For example, si A, siya yung direct referral mo. Si A ni-refer si B. Kikita ka pa ba dyan? Kikita ka pa rin dyan. Si B ni-refer si C ni-refer si D, ni-refer si E, ni-refer si F, hanggang kay J. No? Mga indirect referral mo na yan. Hindi mo na alam kung sino sila. Hindi mo na rin alam kung saan lupalop sila ng mundo nandun. Pwedeng nasa Amerika sila, nasa UK, nasa Hong Kong, pwedeng nasa Vietnam, Dubai, no? Whichever part of the world. No? Ang importante, part siya ng community or network mo. Kaya kikita ka pa rin dyan based on the profit sharing. Again, 2.5% profit sharing to based on the trading profit ng buong grupo mo. Yung first 3 levels dito, automatically unlock agad yan once na nag-deposit ka dito. Ang minimum deposit mo dapat dito para mag-qualify ka for profit sharing ay $100. Pag meron ka ng $100, automatic, kikita ka na ng 2.5% doon sa first 3 levels mo. Tapos from 4th level up to the 10th level, depende yan kung ilan yung direct referral mo. Kung gusto mong kumita up to the 4th level, kailangan 4 yung direct referral mo. Kung gusto mong kumita hanggang sa 10 levels, kailangan 10 yung direct referral mo. So it all depends on the number of your direct referral. Okay? So yan po yung profit sharing. Let me show you kung paano mag-a-appear yan doon sa dashboard mo, no? So, makikita mo dyan from level 1 to level 9 lang dito, no? Siguro, siyam lang yung direct referral, no? Pero kung up to 10 yung direct referral mo, up to 9 levels yan. So, explain din dito kung magkano yung deposit ng bawat isa sa grupo mo, no? Bawat level, magkano yung trading profit, at of course, kukunin yung 2.5%, no, ng bawat level na yan At pag naipon yan, malaki na yan. Kung makikita nyo, itong account na to, kumita ng $703, no? In a particular week. In 1 week lang to, no? 19th of July up to 25th of July. So, weekly po natin itong kinikita. Yung trading profit, daily. Itong profit sharing po, weekly natin matatanggap. So, meron ka ng daily, meron ka pang weekly. Now, let's talk about lot commissions, no? So, pag sinabi pong lot commissions, ang tinutukoy po dito yung pagpasok at paglabas ni Sonic AI doon sa global marketplace, no? Sa bawat lot, no? Ang lot po is a unit of measurement pagdating po sa forex trading, no? It's usually ang standard lot po mga 100,000 unit per currency. So sa bawat pasok at labas ni Sonic AI, binabayaran po siya ng tinatawag na broker's fee. Normally, mga $14 po yan. Ang ginagawa po ng Stratify, $8.50 po out of that $14, ibibigay pa ulit sa atin doon sa community natin up to 10 levels, no? Pero instead of giving us 2.5% tulad sa profit sharing, dito iba-iba po yung makukuha natin, no? Hinahati po yung $8.50 in different levels. For example, sa first level po, $2 po ang makukuha natin dyan. 1.5 naman sa second level at $1 naman doon sa third and fourth level. And from the fifth level, 0.5 dollars po o cents. 5 cents, no? Hanggang sa 10th level. No? Kung makikita nyo, siguro inisip nyo maliit lang yan. Pero pagka malaki yung network mo, malaki yung group mo, pinagsama-sama yan, malaking potential source of income na po yan. Okay? So, yan po yung lot commission. Weekly din po, binabayaran ito ng company sa atin. Number 4, leader pool 1 bonus. No? Again, this is also a form of profit sharing, but this depends on how you activate the growth of your network and their investment. Kasi tinitingnan dito kung gaano na kalaki yung grupo mo at gaano na yung volume ng investment ng grupo mo. So pag umabot ka ng total of $500, magkakaroon ka ng 1 share dito sa leader pool 1 bonus, no? So 1 share po 'yan. Pagka naman umabot ng $1 million ang total deposit ng buong grupo mo, magkakaroon ka ng another share dyan. So, pangalawang share mo yan, no, sa leader pool 2 bonus. I cannot give you an estimate kung magkanong posibleng kitain nyo dito because, again, it depends on the total volume of deposits or investment and it also depends on the trading profit ng buong network mo. CPA earnings, number 5. Yung CPA earnings, it stands for cost per acquisition earnings. No? Again, this also depends on the size of your group or your network. It also depends on the amount of deposits ng buong grupo mo. Meron tayong tinatawag na CPA 1, no? Which gives you 1% ng total deposits ng mga direct referral mo. Pag umabot ng $10,000 yung total deposits or investment ng lahat ng direct referral mo, magkakaroon ka na dyan ng 1%. What is 1% of $10,000? $100 po. No? E paano kung 15,000 yan? E di $150 ang 1% na mapupunta sa'yo. And that's on top of your leader pool 2, leader pool 1 bonus. That's on top of your profit share, that's on top of your lot commission, and that's on top of your trading profits on a daily basis. Right? So, pag umabot naman po ng $50,000 ang total deposit ng buong network mo, again, hindi lang direct ng buong network mo, magkakaroon ka ng additional na 2%. No? You do the math. 2% ng 50,000 is 1,000. No? $1,000 po ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito. 3.5% naman pag umabot ng $200,000, 5% pag umabot ng $1 million, that's CPA 4, no? Meron pang CPA 5, CPA 6, no? Hindi na po natin di-discuss yan because we want you to think about getting into the CPA 1 first before you even think of going to CPA 6 and CPA 7, no? Pagka na-reach mo na yung CPA 1, tuloy-tuloy na yan, no? Ma-reach mo later on yung 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So, yan po yung cost per acquisition earnings. And you also have the chance to binibigay ng Stratify, no? Like travel vouchers. When ito pong travel vouchers, nakadepende po ito sa achievement nyo ng CPA, yung cost per acquisition, no? You need to achieve CPA commissions for 3 consecutive months para makuha nyo yung travel voucher natin na $2,000 US, no, or USDT. That is paid directly to your account, no, to your Tag Market wallet, and you can also withdraw that and transfer it to your crypto wallet or bank account, no, or unless you opted for the USDT, okay, na i-open ka ng another Sonic AI account dyan. Luxury watch, no, luxury watch, watches like Rolex, no, pag na-reach mo yung 15,000, 25,000 naman, another type of Rolex na more expensive, and we also have yung mga family home naman, no. I believe one of the members ng Stratify have already won a family home as an incentive dito sa negosyo natin. So to summarize it all, 6 na paraan po ang pwede natin pagkakitaan dito kay Stratify. Nandyan po yung trading profits, profit sharing, trading lot commissions, leader pool, CPA earnings, incentives, which will give you an opportunity to earn daily, weekly, and monthly. So, ano pang hahanapin natin, no? Unlimited potential income po, no? Kayo po ang magdidikta kung magkano ang gusto nyong kitain dito sa negosyo na to. Sonic AI has an ongoing promotion or competition, no, para sa mga members natin. Tinawag niya itong Sonic Creates a Millionaire, which will give us an opportunity to earn $1 million, no. Hanggang August 31 na lang po ito, no. So if you are starting now, you have 10 days. You have 10 days to catch up with this Create a Millionaire promo natin, no. How do you become part of this? By basically growing the active balance of your direct clients during this month, no, of August. For every $1,000 na accumulated deposit, no, across your direct referrals, you earn 1 share. Again, not necessarily isang referral mo nag-deposit ng $1,000, accumulative po yan. For example, 10 direct referrals mo nag-deposit ng $100 each, that's $1,000, you get 1 share. Pero ang competition po ito, paramihan ng share, no? Ang isa lang ang mananalo, kung sino yung pinakamaraming share, siya po ang panalo dito. In the event na merong mag-tie dito sa competition na to, mabe-break po yung tie dyan by the number of direct clients na ini-sponsor o ni-refer mo at for the month of August. Yun po ang magiging tiebreaker natin. So, yun po ang mananalo. Okay? Now, how transparent is our business? Dito po kay Stratify, matatrack down nyo lahat ng activities natin, no? If you go to your Stratify platform, meron kang dashboard dyan where you can monitor the growth of your network, where you can monitor the calculation of your commissions, no? From your trading profits to your lot commission, to your CPA commission, to your leader pool 1 bonus, no, lahat po yan makikita nyo po dan. Makikita nyo ang bawat personal information na bawat tao na pumapasok sa network mo, no, at kung gaano nakalaki yung team mo. When I started in this business, napakaliit po ng number of ng members ng team, no, pero now is now growing to almost 700 people in my network in different parts of the world, no? At ganun po kabilis yan. I've only been doing the business for few months. Matatrack down din po natin yung mga activities, trading activities sa Sonic AI through MetaTrader 5, no? This is a platform that all major trading platforms and brokers are using. Pwede nyo pong i-download itong app na to sa Play Store or App Store. And once you register using your MT5 credentials kay Sonic AI, makikita nyo na po yung trading activities ni Sonic AI dito. Okay? So, no, I've given you all the information, no? I now want you to decide whether you want to become part of this opportunity or not, no? At the end of the day, that's the objective, no, for presenting this business to you. So if you want to join now, all you need to do is to wait for the Stratify link from the person who invited you to this webinar. Papadala niya po sa iyo yan, QR code or a link na pwede mong i-click. Pag kinlik mo yan, it will lead you to a form where you need to fill in your personal information, and then it will also lead you to open up a Tag Market account and a Sonic AI account. But please ask for the support and guide of the person who invited you in the business in filling up the form or sa pag-register dito sa ating platform. Okay? Para hindi po kayo magkamali. So, that ends our presentation with Stratify. No? I hope I've given you enough information to understand everything. Sabi ko kanina, no? To open your mind dito sa ating new technology that would give us an opportunity to change the way we look and think about financial opportunities, no? Ngayon meron na tayong another formula na alam, no? Hindi na lang po yung work hard tapos earn money tapos pay the bills and save what is left, no? Tapos gagastusin mo pa kung magkano yung natira, di ba? So meron na tayong formula ngayon na additional knowledge natin, no? All we need to ask ourselves is whether we would like to take advantage of that opportunity or not, no? So let me leave you with this quote from Richard Branson, because I'm sure most of you have questions in your mind, di ba, about this opportunity. Sabi ni Richard Branson, by the way, Richard Branson is one of the richest people in the world. He owns Virgin Money, Virgin Atlantic, no, Virgin Media, no. Siya po yung may-ari ng internet provider na ginagamit ko ngayon, no. He is a very well-known rich person here in the UK. Sabi niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity but you are not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. In other words, huwag niyo pong pabayaan na yung mga questions sa isip niyo about a certain opportunity ay mapalampas po yung mga ganitong klaseng amazing opportunity. Sometimes you can call it a rare opportunity, no? Kadalasan po sa buhay natin, no? We walk past a lot of opportunity. Hindi natin nakikita. Walang kakulangan ng opportunity, no? Kakulangan lang ng courage to grab that opportunity by the neck and start doing it, no? Today is an opportunity, no, to get started sa isang napakagandang opportunity that has changed the life of so many people already, no? Si Sir Anton has been doing this for a few months and was able to resign from his job and is now doing this on a full-time basis. Meron na siyang time freedom. Nakauwi na siya ng Pilipinas and be with his family. He can always come back to the UK whenever he wants, no? Pero this time, no, babalik siya dito hindi na para magtrabaho but just to enjoy his time freedom, di ba? Dahil this business has given him the financial freedom that he has been looking for, he has been searching for a long time, di ba? And it's also a possibility for you. Kailangan lang, no, meron tayong willingness to change that mindset. Maraming salamat po, and God bless everyone. Thank you.
Ayun, grabe, no? Maraming salamat, Sir Paul. What a powerful, amazing, great presentation, no? Conducted by Sir Paul, no? Napakalinaw, very informative. Meron pa tayong mga takeaways, no? Bago tayo matapos dito sa ating napakagandang negosyo. Salamat, Sir Paul, no? For that
Thank you.
business presentation, no? Now, I think we open the floor for them to ask questions, no? Siguro bigyan natin sila ng power to unmute, and kung gusto nyo po, pwede kayong mag-raise ng hands, no, virtually, at you can also type in your questions dito sa ating chat box. Is that okay? Yan.
You can also raise your leg kung wala po kayong kamay.
Yes, okay. Bigyan natin sila ng power to. Sir Paul, no, mamimute ka, no? Dali lang, Okay, sige, you can unmute yourself, guys, no? Sir Paul, you can unmute yourself. Okay. Yan. Salamat po sa 62 participants natin, no, in counting, and salamat sa mga nag-attend dito sa ating Zoom webinar, especially to our leaders, no, and also new leaders dito sa ating negosyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Sige. Question. Any question? Sino ang gustong magtanong? So wala nang question. Do you have any question at all? But before that, no, I'd like to thank all the leaders from yesterday. No, we conducted, Sir Paul, a Zoom. No, not a Zoom actually, an in-house presentation, no, dito sa Las Piñas. At dinaluhan tayo ng more than I think it's more than 50, no, na participants natin, no. At salamat po sa inyong lahat. At alam niyo po ang nakakatuwa, no. Just to give you an update, no, about what had happened yesterday. Meron ho kaming isang nag-invest po one time ng 1 million, no? 1 million kagad straight away ang kanyang ininvest, no? And congratulations to that young lady. Yan, I want to call her a young lady, no? Na she's a businesswoman, and ang naipalit namin in total is around 1.1 million for our presentation yesterday. So ganon kaganda ang negosyo natin, at ganon sila katiwala dito sa ating negosyo, di ba? How would you like to earn? Tama yung sinabi ni Sir Paul, no? Hindi ang question lagi, magkano yung gusto mong kitain, di ba? Yun ang laging question, no? Hindi yung magkano yung kailangan mong i-invest, di ba? Baligtad. Yun ang lagi niyo i-question sa sarili niyo. Magkano yung gusto kong kitain sa loob ng isang buwan para meron akong pambayad ng monthly bills ko. Example, monthly bills halimbawa sa sasakyan. Kunyari, kailangan mong magbayad ng 20,000 pesos every month. Example. So magkano yung puhunan na pwede kong ilagay dito para mabayaran ko yung 20,000 na yan every month. So from there, no, makakapag-isip kayo, no, dito sa ating negosyo, at pwede ninyong makamit o makuha yung mga goals na yon. Bakit? Kasi it's very possible, it's very liquid, it's very transparent. Unang-una, no, sa lahat ng mga withdrawals, wala ho kayong gas fee, no? Wala hong administration fee ang hinihingi ng company. Ang kailangan lang, no, ay meron kayong pagtatransfera ng pera. Yun yung good problem, no? Kailangan meron kayong wallet na pagtatransfera nyo ng pera. Kung may tatanong nyo rin, kung mabilis ba may transfer ang pera, mabilis lang po. Takes about seconds, minutes, and even until about 24 hours, depende sa laki ng wini-withdraw ninyo, no? So, ganun kabilis. At alam ko, karamihan na nandito ngayon can attest for that, na nakakapag-withdraw sila ng walang problema, no?